how VixieBot version 3.1.0 trades. You can see the trades is going losses, but at the moment it's also recovering. If I go to my trade history, you have seen that I've already made $224 today, right now. So if you check out here, you can see the trades right now, and it is recovering. This is exactly how it trades. If you check out here, trade was executed here. It sells and sells and sells and sells, so it keeps selling. And as it keeps going up, it keeps increasing the lot size so it can recover the trades at any given pullback. And it's always making profit at the end. You can see it for yourself. $20,000 was deposited on this account. You can see all the trades last week, and you can see the floating trades at the moment. It is recovering. It is recovering. Now this is a real account. This is a real account. It is recovering. Now this is how VixieBot 3.10 trades. This is automatic trading, and it is recovering. Some people, while they are trading with VixieBot 3.1.0, they have here in terms of losing out. But whenever you are seeing floating losses with your bots, just hold your position. Your VixieBot is going to recover all the floating loss, and at the end, it will always close with profit. This is how it trades, and you are going to see that this trade on Euro USD is going to close in a very huge profit. Okay, so you can now see that the trade has closed. The trade is now in profit. So you can see at first there was a lot of floating losses. Whenever you are trading with VixieBot and you are seeing floating loss, do not panic, because VixieBot use the advanced algorithmic strategy to recover your losses. Now I'm going to show you, this is Euro USD, that there was a lot of trades. Now check out the trade history, and you can see if we've made $2,650 just today. And if you scroll down, you are going to see that there are losses. There are a lot of losses, but it doesn't matter. This was once floating losses, but it knows how to automatically recover using recycling. So that's exactly how VixieBot is trading. So whenever you are trading with VixieBot, if your deposit is less than $5,000, it is recommended to trade with a cent account. Otherwise, you are going to lose your money. So that is it for me, and let me withdraw my funds and then enjoy for today. So I just initiated a withdrawal right now, $800 withdrawal from VixieBot trades just today. That's exactly how we trade. We are not playing here. So if you are interested to install VixieBot and you are confident that you are not going to be doubting VixieBot, click on the link and download VixieBot. And I'm going to do a $100 giveaway from this $800 for my subscribers. So put it in the comment section if you want to be a winner, and then I will select one winner from the comment section who is going to win $100 from VixieBot. You are not winning it from me, but from VixieBot, from this my withdrawal right now. Okay, as been said, click on the link and see you in the next video.